Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change font color on Google Sheets. So first of all, want to open Google Sheets. So for changing the font color, first I'm just going to type here something, and here you can see the font color. It's selected to black. And for changing the font color, here on the top you can see here menu options, and here is an option. You can see here text color. Click on that, and from here you can just choose the color that you wanted. And after that you type, you can see that you had been changed the text color on Google Sheets. So this is how you can change font color on Google Sheets. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.